To enable or disable one-handed keyboard on Google Pixel 10, first of all, we can open our keyboard. Now over here on the left side, we have these 4 squares. We can tap on them in order to find additional options. And then we have the one-handed mode. So we can tap on this button in order to enable the one-handed mode. We can switch between left and right side over here. We can use this button here in order to extend it back into the full screen, so you can disable the one-handed mode. And this button at the bottom over here allows you to resize the one-handed mode, so you can move it up, down a little bit as you wish to. And there we go. Besides that, what you can also do is you can go to settings on your phone, scroll down over here to system, open keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and then a Gboard. And then you should be able to find preferences where we have the one-handed keyboard option. So if for some reason you don't have that button in the keyboard itself, you can just go to the settings and you can set up the right-handed, left-handed, one-handed keyboard, or just completely disable this option. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.